Hi lovelies, and welcome back to the channel. And on today's episode I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious, the most mouth-watering and the most inviting Nkwobi recipe. You can see how it's already looking, and I know that your guests will definitely enjoy this. So let's dive into the video. First thing first, wash the cow leg thoroughly and make sure that it is so cleaned. And here is my onions and finely chopped yellow scotch bonnet pepper. And also people, remember that you can use the dried pepper. So here is my seasoning cube. I'm just going to squeeze that in, and then people, I'm also going to be adding in what I'll add in my black pepper. Yes, I love to use black pepper for almost all my recipes, and that's because I love the taste of it. And here is the aromant, and you can also opt out if you don't like aromant. You can just use your seasoning cube or any other thing you wish. And also here is my washed shrimps powder. I just sprinkled that in, and here is a little salt to taste, and of course pouring water to the level of the cow leg in the pot. Okay, so people, you can see how this is looking, and then you cover. I'm using a pressure cooker because this meat is hard, and you can see the button has come up, meaning that it is ready. And please set it aside so that it doesn't make a splash. So here I've already chopped the cow leg into cubes, into the sizable way you can chew it, and it goes so nicely. You can decide to leave your own as big as you wish, but this is the best way to dice it. Look at the one I've already diced off camera, and here I'm just showing you the remaining part of it, taking it off the chopping board. Now let's make our ungo, also known as Nkwobi sauce, and I'm using palm ash as my thickener. So here is palm oil added into the pot. I'll be adding in my fresh spinach and my white onions into this so that it steams a little, or you say you fries or cook a little, anyone you choose. So here is my finely washed crayfish. This is not blended. I'm also going to be adding in the blended one. I just want that chewing crayfish thing. Now here is my ogirisi. I'm going to dissolve this into a warm water, and I added it also. You can see that. You see how it's going. I added in my fermented oil bean seed. Yes, that is my owa. I added it into it, and you can see how everything is coming together. And here is the palm ash that I told you about. I sieved that in so that the ashes will not be in the pot. Remember to put this overnight so that it ferments very well. And here is the half seasoning cube I'll be using to add to this. People, are you enjoying this? Please like this video. Remember to share. Don't forget to do what? Leave a resounding comment at the end, and also subscribe in case you're new. Turn on the post notification bell because I've added in enough crayfish into this, and I know you are watching it. I hope you notice I added in the cow leg stock, and here I'm adding in the grounded pepper, and I'm also going to be adding a little of pepper soup spice just to give it that little spiciness and that local taste I'm looking for. Okay, so also I'll be adding in a little of the water again. Please remember that this cow leg stock, it just helps you to lighten the whole thing, because all the things, they are so thick when you do it. And here I added in otazi leaf. I just showed you my hand, and I poured that in. And also people, I'm adding in the cow leg. Yeah, this is where the Nkwobi whole mende has landed us into. So make sure you combine well, add in the cow stock as soon as you notice that the whole thing is too thick, because I like it to be soupy, you know, so that I can lick it and enjoy myself. How can you make Nkwobi and you don't have that soupy thing to, you know, carry the meat along with the whole thing on top of it and take it down into your bowels? Okay people, you put it into your bowel, that's straight into your stomach, and enjoy it. So you can see me adding in the stock water from the cow leg. So that is it people. We are almost coming to the end. You can see me tasting this. People, it tasted nice. And I say like this video and make sure you leave a resounding comment. I also added in crayfish again to give me that my crayfish taste towards the end of this recipe. And that is just it. Okay people, look at me trying to serve it on a local, did you see that? On a local mode. Okay, people, yes, because everything has to be local when you're doing stuff like this, and that is why I'm putting it into this my small mortar. Yes, so and now you can see how this has come on, how this has turned on, and how this is calling you, calling me, calling everyone. Please tell me you are making this. Tell me you are going to the market. Tell me that in fact you're in the kitchen. I can beat my chest to this. If you serve this to your guests, they will not leave your house. They will want to ask for more and stay over the night. I hope you understand. So people, after this my Mendes serving, I actually garnished it with my red onions. Oh my word. And that is just the top notch. I hope you're enjoying this. Look at that soupy. Look at it. That's the soupy part I was talking about. Let it be soupy, soupy, and you will enjoy it. And please, if you know you like pepper, enjoy it when it's so spicy. And you can see it's a bit warm because I left it a bit on the stove to steam up. And that is just it, people. Remember, anyone that is left over, you can put it in your fridge in a tight container so that all the aroma will not be left out. Check out the end result. Who is ready? Come one, come all, and let's take this down. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Remember to leave me a resounding comment, and please wash your hands because I am coming to take this into my mouth and straight to my belly. Hey, this is gonna be a butterfly in my belly. Okay, people, are you seeing this? Oh my word, check out. I love these onions. I don't know, it gives me this vibe to enjoy this kind of stuffs. And people, that is just it. If you're making abacha and leave these onions on top, oh my god, I'm eating the onions even before eating the abacha. So on a good and pleasant note, people, it will be a great pleasure to have all your beautiful and gorgeous looking faces in the next episode of Mom Essy Kitchen and more. Remember, I love you all, but in all, God loves you most. Like this video and see you all in the next one. Bye bye.